pulls us all over the place.
Yeah.
I mean, they're all walking, but it's a chore hanging on to him.
So, what's the main note? Just he's energetic and out of control, huh?
Well, we understand that he's energetic and that he's a puppy, you know, but we're looking to get him to where we can maybe settle him down and where he doesn't like to jump on everybody that walks through the door, and you know, and maybe sit means sit, and maybe lay on your bed.
That's
and
pretty
stay
good.
Off my bed.
That wasn't even cued. That was pretty good there.
If the dog barks, the collar will shock them and make them stop barking until they learn the lesson.
So that's what you know about this?
Yeah.
So you think it's just to stop them from barking? That's okay. Let me just tell us what you know. Is that what you know? Have you ever felt one of these?
No.
What do you think it feels like?
Bad shock.
A bad shock? How bad? You think it'll make you fall over? How bad do you think it'll be?
Like on a scale 1 to 10, like a 3.
That's not bad on a 1 to 10, right? So what would you consider this on a 1 to 10? What would you consider that?
Like a 1.5.
Could you feel it?
No.
You couldn't feel me when I did that?
No.
Yeah, you can feel that, right? You can't feel that? Oh, jeez, okay. All right, so let's feel this. No? You don't want to feel it? Come on. I do. Here, you get to feel it. All right, you get to feel it. Come here. No, you don't want to feel it? How about him? No, not him. How about him? All right, I'll make you a deal, okay? Before I have you feel it, okay, I'm going to put it on my face. All right? If I put it on my face, will you feel it on your hand?
No.
You still won't feel it on your hand? Oh, jeez. Okay, which one of you will feel this? Will you feel this? You'll feel it? Okay. All right. This is perfect. We couldn't have even planned this thing like this. All right, so first I want you to feel what a vibrate feels like. Just put it in your hand like this.
Oh, okay.
Now this is like a vibrate, like your phone.
Right.
You can feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to do the shock that they're so scared of. Are you ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
You get your turn.
One. You don't feel it. Okay, let's try it on your face. Maybe you'll feel it on your face. All right, let's try it on your face. You ready? 1, 2, 3. 1,
You don't
2,
feel it.
3. Okay, let's go up a little bit more.
It's not even
So
like
the first thing I wanted to show you is you can feel this, the vibrate, right?
Yeah, you can feel it like
You
a
can feel the vibrate, but you can't feel this, right? So what do you guys think? A vibrating phone would hurt worse than the shock, right? So let's go up a couple more levels. There's one, you can't feel it. Here's a little higher, can you feel that? Here's a little higher, can you feel that?
No,
Here's a little higher, can you feel that?
I feel that.
Okay, you can feel that on 4. Here you go.
Well, the only thing I'm thinking is because like we used to have a Maltese,
Yeah?
and they had a shock collar and it like burnt right through their skin.
Okay.
They
Like
wouldn't
everything.
shut up.
They what?
They wouldn't shut up.
Okay. Well, that's a good point of like to just educate you a little bit, because these cannot burn. I'm sure you might have seen something on the internet, but they do not generate heat. So even if you soaked a piece of toilet paper in gasoline and you put this thing on the highest level and held it there for a month, it wouldn't light on fire.
it's a
It does
different
not.
type of-
It does not generate heat. Okay, so here's the vibrate like a phone. Can you feel that? It's a vibrate, and here's the shock. You ready? There's 1. Can you feel that? Is this your mother? She couldn't feel it either. All right, here's 1. She can't feel it. You can't feel it. Here's 2. Can you feel that? She can't feel it either. Here's 3. Can you feel that?
No.
She couldn't feel it either. Here's 4. Can you feel that?
Yeah.
And she could feel that too. You guys want to go? You want to go? Do you want to go?
Be strong.
Huh?
Be strong.
You're gonna go now?
Exactly.
Here you go.
Promise.
Just put this in your hand. This is a vibrate. Same as on your phone. Can you feel that? That's a vibrate. Okay, here's the shock. You ready? Right there. There it is. Can you feel that? No? Can't feel it? Let's go a little higher. Your mom and your brother, that's your brother? He couldn't feel this. Can you feel this? You can feel it? Okay, raise your hand when I'm pressing the button. Raise your hand. Raise your hand when I'm pressing the button. Okay, wait a minute. Raise your hand when I press the button. Wait, raise your hand when I press the button. Okay, you can feel that. That's good. Okay, that's a 2. You can feel that. Here you go. This is what your sister can feel. It's on a 2 still. Can you feel that? Okay, you can't feel it. She can. Here you go. This is a 2. This is what that's your daughter, right?
Yeah.
This is what she can feel. She definitely could feel that, but you can't, right? So it's different for everybody. Here, you want to feel this?
No.
You sure?
Not yet.
Your sister did it. Come on. No? All right. What about you?
Wow.
All right, here we go. This is the pager that you will be able to feel just like a regular pager, right? Here's a level 1. Nobody could feel this on any of this, okay? You can't feel that either? Okay, here's a 2. Your daughter can feel this on a 2. Can you feel that?
I cannot.
Okay, you can't feel that. Your wife couldn't feel it, and your son couldn't feel it. Here's a 3. Can you feel that? Okay, you can't feel that. She can't feel it. She can't feel it. She would have been able to feel it. Here's a 4. This is what they were able to start feeling it. Can you feel that?
I can't feel that.
A little bit. Here's a 5. Can you feel that?
I can't.
A little higher. Here's a 6. Can you feel that?
I can't.
A little higher. Okay, so you see how it's a gradual progression. Okay, so what I'm doing is I don't want, this is not the same as, I don't want you to look at this in tune of like, let me see what it feels like, because if what it feels like to me, that's what it will feel like to the dog, because you're not a dog. And where I'll make that example is, do you guys know anything about horses?
Yeah.
Okay, have you ever seen a horse get shoed? Have you ever seen that? When they put the shoes on the horse, they actually put a nail through his foot, you know, through the thing. You've seen that where they have you wouldn't put a nail through your foot to see what the horse feels, right? Because it wouldn't be the same. Does that make sense? Okay, so that's the same thing here. We're just letting you feel it, just to show that there's different levels, and not everybody feels things the same. Okay, so what's going to get your attention, like on a 5 or a 6, it didn't really do that much to you, but it might have been different with her. Same with, so everything in life is adjustable from 0. Your radio in the car, they don't set it to like, we're going to put it on 22 because that's normal for people. They put it on 0. And when you get in the car, you put the radio wherever. You may put it louder if you have friends and you're partying in the car. He may listen to his music louder, but who's to say what's right and what's wrong? Does that make sense? Okay, so now I'm just going to take this dog and do a little demonstration with him, okay? Okay. You all right? Okay. You can stop that in. So how would you like it if we can get this dog like really good in just like a little like 20-minute demonstration? Would that be pretty impressive to you?
them all.
Run back to me. And stop. Okay, stop. You see your brother? Stop. Walk backwards. Walk forward. Forward. Backward. Forward. Now look at him. Walk forward. Walk backwards. Forward. Stop. Let's see if the dog's learning. Stop. Walk over there. Stop. Walk over there. Stop. Very nice.